Dear students, welcome to today's class. In the last class, I have explained the formulae of compound angles, and basing on those problems, now we are going to see some problems. These problems are very important, and moreover, now I am going to solve these problems. Within all problems, short tricks I am going to solve. Okay now? So by seeing these problems, no need to get any tension. By shortcut, within seconds you can solve these problems. So let us start our class. See here, the first problem is in a triangle ABC, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to 6, and tan A times tan B is equal to 2. Then ABC is, what is that ABC? What type of triangle ABC is? A right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, equilateral triangle, otherwise right angled isosceles triangle. So let us see that. Okay. Now in a triangle ABC, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to 6 is given, and one more thing is given, tan A into tan B is equal to 2. So let us take, I am saying tan A is equal to 1 and tan B is equal to 2. Can I take tan A is equal to 1 and tan B is equal to 2? As 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then tan A value is 1, tan B value is 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Definitely tan C value should be 3. Okay na? Right. If tan A is equal to 1, A is equal to pi by 4. Tan B is equal to 2. 2 is a positive value. So tan is positive in first and third quadrant. So angle cannot be in third quadrant. Why? 180 plus no. So it is a triangle ABC. Definitely B value is less than pi by 2. C is also less than pi by 2. Whatever be that angle, both B and C lies in the first quadrant. Definitely A and B and C will lie in the first quadrant, and moreover A is also pi by 4. A is also lies in the first quadrant. All the three angles lies in the first quadrant. That means all three angles lies between 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, it is an acute angle triangle. Right? I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. So the second problem is cot A plus cot B plus cot C plus cos of A plus B plus C upon sin A into sin B into sin C. Then this expression is equal to cot A into cot B into cot C, otherwise tan A into tan B into tan C, or cos A cos B into cos C, otherwise sin A into sin B into sin C. Okay. So to do this problem, generally students, what they will know, they will start doing cos A by sin A, cos B by sin B, cos C by sin B, and they start expanding cos of A plus B plus C. So if you do this problem, definitely it will take minimum half an hour to get a conclusion. So very difficult. But once these type of problems were given in competitive examination, it is not mean that you have to do the general procedure. You have to do general procedure. So it is mean that you have to do short trick formula. The one and only short trick is put A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. Otherwise, you can put 30 degrees also you can put. Okay now. Now what is cot A? So tan 60 is equal to root 3. Cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is also 1 by root 3. This is also 1 by root 3. Therefore, can I write down 3 upon root 3? So cos of A plus B plus C, 60 plus 60 plus 60, 180. Cos of 180 is minus 1. Sin 60, sin 60, sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. That means root 3 by 2 whole cube. That is equal to 3 root 3 by 8. So this is equal to 3 root 3 minus 8 upon 3 root 3. Okay na? 8 upon 3 root 3. So this your LCM is equal to 3 root 3. So here how much you will get? 9 minus 8. This is 1 upon 3 root 3. Now in the options A, B, C, D, let us take any one of the options by chance and by guessing, and you substitute A value, B value, C value is equal to 60 degrees. Then let us see for which you will get 1 upon 3 root 3. Okay. So let us take by chance, by chance I am taking option A. What is option A? Cot 60 into cot 60 into cot 60. So cot 60 is equal to how much? So 3 by root 3. Sorry. So cot 60 is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So 1 by 3 root 3. 1 by 3 root 3. So here also 1 by root 3. So 1 by 3 root 3, 1 by root 3 is equal. Therefore, option A is the right answer. So this is the short trick formulas that you have to learn from this chapter. Okay, now? So don't try to expand these problems. If it is given in competitive examinations, don't try to do that problem. So you can take A is equal to B is equal to 45 also you can take. You can take 45 also, anything you can. So if you take 45, see here, don't take 45. What happens if cot 45 into cot 45 into cot 45 becomes 1, and tan 45, tan 45, tan 45 is also 1. That means A and B will give the same answer, and C and D also will give the same answer. But you should not take that type of guessing. You have to guess the angle such that A, B, C, D will give different solutions. Okay, na? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to third problem. The third problem is, if alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2, pi upon 2, and cot alpha, cot beta, cot gamma are in AP, arithmetic progression, then cot alpha into cot gamma value is how much? S. So here it is given that cot alpha plus cot beta plus cot gamma is in AP means 2 cot beta is equal to cot alpha plus cot gamma. Okay, na? So put it like that. So whenever it is given alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2. So you have to remember certain results are there. Whenever cot alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2 is there. So we have sigma cot alpha is equal to pi cot beta. Please note down this. So please note down this result. If alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2, then sigma cot alpha is equal to pi cot b. Sigma cot alpha means cot alpha plus cot beta plus cot gamma. Pi tan beta means pi means product. So that is equal to cot alpha into cot beta into cot gamma. So here all it is a alpha. Okay, now right. So here cot alpha plus cot gamma is equal to how much? 2 cot beta. That means cot alpha plus cot gamma is equal to 2 cot beta. Already cot beta is there. So this is equal to 3 cot beta is equal to cot alpha into cot beta into cot gamma. Okay, now. So cot beta cancel. So cot alpha into cot gamma. Cot alpha into cot gamma value is equal to how much? 3. 3 is your right answer. Understand this, students? So general students, what they start do know, as soon as this problem is given, immediately, so majority of the students, they start what they will do know. So alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2 minus gamma, and they will start apply cot on both sides, and cot of A plus B, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B, like that they will start doing this problem. Okay, now. So if you remember this, if you know this formula, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2, that implies sigma cot alpha is equal to pi cot alpha. The problem will be very, very easy. Okay, na? So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Welcome to fourth problem. So the problem is given. So the value of cos alpha into sin of beta minus gamma plus cos beta into sin of gamma minus alpha plus cos gamma into sin of alpha minus beta. So then what is the value of? That means this whole thing is equal to 0 na, 1 na, minus 1 na, otherwise 4 cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma na. So generally the students will start thinking that expanding sin of beta minus gamma, that means sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. If you start the problem like that, so you are not preparing for JEE mains examination. Don't start the problem like that. Okay. So think creatively. So this is a trigonometric identity. So this should satisfy for any value of alpha, beta, gamma. Of course, the for which the cos sin value should be defined. Okay, na? Right. So here it is a trigonometric identity, means so it should satisfy for any values, means I will take alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Can I take? Yes, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma I will take. So if you take alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, beta minus gamma is equal to how much? 0. Sin 0 value 0. Here also sin gamma minus alpha, sin 0, gamma and alpha both are same, sin 0 is 0. This is also 0, alpha minus beta is also 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 is your answer. Otherwise, you can take alpha is equal to 30, beta is equal to 60, gamma is equal to 90. Otherwise, alpha is equal to 45, beta is equal to 45, gamma is equal to 60, like that. You take any values as you think, but the final answer will be definitely is equal to 0. So this is called creative thinking. Okay, now, so if you start creative thinking, the problem solutions will be very, very easy. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to next problem. So the value of 1 plus tan 30 degrees 33 degrees plus 1 plus tan 12 degrees upon 1 plus tan 18 degrees plus 1 plus tan 27 degrees is equal to 1. So if you know the conceptual knowledge, if you have the fundamental knowledge, so the answer will be, so without any thought you can say 1. Sir, why sir? So we have the result. What that result is? If a plus b is equal to pi by 4, that is 1 plus tan a plus 1 plus tan b value is equal to 1. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b value is 1, not 1, 2. Okay, now right. So you can do this problem applying tan on both sides, you can get the result. So here what the thing should be, a plus b should be 45. That means 33 plus 12 is equal to how much? 45. 18 plus 27 is equal to how much? 45. So numerator value is equal to how much? 2. Denominator value is how much? 2. 2 get cancelled. The answer is equal to 1. Therefore, I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Welcome to next problem. Here there are two statements are there, statement 1 and statement 2. We have to say which of the statement is true and which of the statement is false. Okay, that means true or false type. So the first statement is if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, whereas a, b, c are positive angles and the angle c is obtuse, then tan a into tan b is less than 1, he is saying. Is it true or false? Now let us see the first statement. So the first thing is he is given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. That means a, b, c are the angles of a triangle. So angle c is obtuse, he is saying. Angle c is obtuse. That is more than 90. Definitely angle A and angle C, definitely it will be acute. A, C, that means in a triangle, there will be one and only one obtuse angle should be there. So if it is one obtuse angle, so remaining two are acute angles. Okay, now that means so A and B are acute angles. A and B are acute angles. So let A is equal to 30 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. Let A is equal to 30 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. That means tan 30 into tan 30. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 less than 1. 1 by root 3 times 1 by root 3 is less than 1. So that is 1 by less 3 less. Is 1 by 3 is less than 1? Yes. Therefore, the first statement is true. So coming to second statement, so here let us take A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, cot A into cot B into cot C is equal to K. That means cot 60 is equal to how much? Cot 60 is equal to tan 60 value is equal to how much? Root 3. Cot 60 value 1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 means 1 by 3 root 3 is equal to K. 1 by 3 root 3. So you substitute here 1 by 3 root 3 less than or equal to 1 by 3 root 3. It is a right it or not? 1 by 3 root 3 is less than or equal to 1 by 3 root 3. That's right. So therefore the second statement is also true. Okay na? Right. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So one of the very nice interesting problem. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1, then a root of the equation a minus 2b plus c x square plus b minus 2c plus a into x plus c minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Right. If you observe here, anybody can say, if you put x is equal to 1, this equation will be satisfied. X is equal to 1, the equation will be satisfied. But see here, Here also put 1, 1. What happens you see? Here A plus A, 2A minus 2A gets cancelled. And B plus B, 2B minus 2B get cancelled. C plus C, 2C, 2 minus 2C minus 2C gets cancelled. Okay, so everything will be cancelled. That means x is equal to 1 is a solution, but that should be satisfied with this equation. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. So your answer should be in the secant theta and tan theta. So if you observe here, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 means if you take theta is equal to 0 degrees, what happens you see here? Theta is equal to 0 degrees. What happens? Secant 0 plus tan 0 is equal to 1. Yes, tan 0 is equal to 0. Cos 0 1, secant 0 is 1. Therefore, secant theta is equal to 0, then this equation will be satisfied. If secant 0 is equal to how much? 1. Therefore, secant theta will be the solution of this equation. Very nice logic here. For x, if x is equal to, for this equation, if theta is equal to 0, then equation will be satisfied. That means secant theta, but when theta is equal to 0, x should be equal to 1. Okay, if you put x is equal to 1, the equation will be satisfied. Okay, now, so I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to next problem. So the problem is if x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square and tan alpha is equal to xy upon z r and tan beta is equal to yz upon xr, tan gamma is equal to zx upon yr, then the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1. So these type of problems can be done very easily. He is saying that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, but he is not mentioning the what is the magnitudes of x and y z. Okay, so that's why I will take here x is equal to y is equal to z. I can take x is equal to y is equal to z. So if I take x is equal to y is equal to z, what happens? X square plus x square plus x square. In all y and z also put x. So x square plus x square plus x square is equal to how much? 3x square is equal to r square. So from r is equal to how much? R is equal to root 3x. R is equal to root 3x. Now coming to tan alpha. What is tan alpha value? Tan alpha is equal to x into y upon z into r. In place of x, y, z, everywhere you put x. That means x into r value is root 3x. R value is root 3x. X into x square, x into x square will get cancelled 1 by root 3. This implies alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Similarly, we can prove that tan beta is equal to 1 by root 3, beta is also 30 degrees, gamma is also 30 degrees. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3 into 330 is 90 degrees. So, therefore, option C is your right answer. So, dear students, so to do this type of problems, the only thing is logical thinking should be there. So, here it is, he is saying that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. I will take x is equal to y is equal to z. Okay. Don't take that x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Don't take that. If you take here z is in the denominator, x is in the denominator, r is also denominator. Don't take like that. So, this is this type of way of thinking you have to develop to solve these trigonometric problems. Okay. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Let us welcome to the next problem. In a triangle ABC, if cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to root 3, then ABC is what type of triangle it is? Equilateral, right angular, isosceles, scalene is asking. So, he is saying that cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to root 3. Then we can say that is what angle we can take, guess the angles A, B, C, so that you will get root 3. Very easily you can guess. Let us take A is equal to B is equal to 60 degrees. So that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, see here cot A is equal to how much? So here cot A is equal to how much? This is cot 60. cot 60 value, tan 60 is equal to root 3, cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3, this is 1 by root 3, this is 1 by root 3. This is a 3 by root 3, this is equal to root 3. So it is right it or wrong? Yes, that means A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. The only one one set of values satisfies this equation. Otherwise, the remaining all sets does not satisfy. Therefore, the one and only one answer is A is equal to B is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Generally, students they will start doing like this. A plus B plus ABC is right angle triangle means A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Again, they will apply cot of A plus B into cot of pi minus C, and cot of A plus B value cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B is equal to minus cot C, and they will start doing. So, do not do this type of calculations in competitive examinations. So, while solving the problems in competitive examination point of view, you have to change your way of thinking. So, the question will be asked to do the problem in this way, not in this way. Okay, if you start doing in this way, so you are not eligible to write the JEE mains or MCET examinations. Okay, now, right, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to the next problem. The value of sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta plus sin 7 theta plus sin 9 theta upon cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta plus cos 9 theta. Okay, now, so this value is equal to, so generally students they will start this sin C plus sin D formulas, all these things. So nothing doing, so I will tell one short trick formula, so that will be very, very useful. The formula is this: sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2, so on, sin theta n upon cos theta 1, cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3, so on, cos theta n, like this. So in the numerator, denominator, same number of terms are there. In the numerator, all signs n terms are there. Denominator also, all signs in n terms are there. So this is given by the formula tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta, so on, theta n whole upon n. So this is a very, very important formula, please note down. So sin, if it is 4 times, denominator also cos 4 times, same angle should be there. Then it is given by tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3, so on, theta n upon n. Okay. Now if you observe here, 3 theta, 3 theta, 5 theta, 5 theta, 7 theta, 7 theta, 9 theta, 9 theta. Okay, now, so this is equal to, this is given by, this is equal to tan of, so this is a 3 theta plus 5 theta plus 7 theta plus 9 theta whole upon 4. That's all. 3 theta plus 5 theta plus 7 theta plus 9 theta upon 4. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 4, 24. So tan of 24 theta by 4. So this is called 4 1s are 4 6 are, therefore tan 6 theta. So tan 6 theta will be your answer. But the condition is sin 3 theta cos 3 theta, sin 5 theta cos 5 theta, sin 7 theta cos 7 theta, sin 9 theta cos 9 theta. Like that only should be there. Then your answer is tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3, so on, theta n upon n. How many sines and coses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. So if you do that, the answer will be tan 6 theta. So this is the result, very, very important result. You remember and you note down that. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class with some more problems with all short tricks, formulas. The next class I will come. Okay, na? Until then, all the best.